Hi, my name is Cindy McCain, and I am very honored today to be at the AILA conference. This is a historical day given the announcement that was made by President Obama in terms of changes that are going to be made. People here are very happy about those changes. We're going to talk more about them. I am also honored to be sitting here with Attorney Linda Rose. She is from Rose Immigration Law Firm here in Nashville. She is a long-time member of the AILA Association, where she has been a board member, and just last night she won their Service Excellence Award. And I would first of all just like to congratulate you on the honor you won.
Thank you very much.
And we're all excited, and I want to hear just your response to the news that came today.
Well, this is a huge moment in the world of immigration. Today, President Obama announced a new policy in terms of young people who we refer to as dreamers. Young people who came here as children, have been here most of their lives, gone to high school, or some of them attending high school or gone to high school, and then what happens to them is they want to go to college or get a job, and the way the immigration laws are structured and the immigration policy is these young people are trapped. They can't work, they can't go to school, they can't drive. And really, I've always thought, what is their alternative? To join a gang. It's been a very sad situation. I've had young people come in my office who are valedictorian of their class. These bright young Latino children and yearning to go to college, and they're trapped and they can't. And so what today's announcement will do is it'll allow children who have been here for most of their lives, they have to have entered the United States before reaching the age of 16, been here for at least 5 years. And then there are, of course, other criteria. They can't hopefully they don't have certain criminal backgrounds and haven't left the United States. And if they meet these criteria, and we'll know more about the true meaning of these criteria later on, but these young children will be qualified for an employment authorization document. What it is, they're actually qualified for deferred action through ICE, so that the ICE is the deportation unit of the Immigration Service, so that ICE won't put them into deportation. Instead, they will be issued an employment authorization card, which will allow them to work. It'll allow them to get a social security number. It'll allow them to get driver's licenses. It's the greatest fix. It doesn't benefit their parents, who I guess the general public would feel like the parents are the ones who did something wrong many years ago by bringing them here in the first place. Okay, it doesn't benefit them. It benefits the young child who had nothing to do with how he or she got here. And it's a wonderful moment. When I heard the news, I got chicken skin, and I may cry right now. Tears came to my eyes. I was just so happy because as I said, I've met young people in this dilemma before, and it's just so heartbreaking when we can't do anything for them. So this is great news. Every immigration attorney I know will be celebrating at the option to help so many young people, because that's what we do. We help people. And it'll help families to stay united. It'll help young people who have been here most of their lives to really start getting a footing and be able to, we talk about the pathway to citizenship, and I've always criticized that expression because citizenship is no pathway. It is a rocky road. It is not easy to get citizenship. But this will at least put the young child on a path so that eventually they may qualify for some other benefit, so that they can be regularized, have proper documentation, so that they can live and work in the country that they call home.
So please tell us about your button.
Yes, well, it says Paree el fraude notarial, and it means stop fraud, stop notarial fraud. there are notarios out there in the community presenting themselves to be qualified to do immigration work. And I would advise every foreign national to not go to a notario. They're not lawyers, and for the most part, they don't know how to do immigration work. I can't tell you how many cases I've had come into my office where the person has been totally put in a bad position because they went to a notario. In Mexico, notarios are lawyers, but that's not so in the United States. A notario is, they might be a notary public, but they are not lawyers, and they're not trained in the complexities of immigration work. So stop notario fraud. Don't go to a notario. Go to a lawyer. This work is very complex, and even today's announcement about prosecutorial discretion for children, it doesn't mean that it's just a simple thing for a young person to fill out an employment authorization application and get the benefit. There are other criteria that will tell us whether or not a person qualifies. And some of these children might not qualify. They might have other things in their background that stop them from being eligible for this great benefit. They need to talk with a lawyer and carefully analyze whether or not they meet the criteria and whether or not it's safe for them to apply for this benefit. And if it is, then go forward with a lawyer. Be protected. And that's something that a notario will not do. The notario does not protect. The lawyer protects.
Right. Well, thank you very much.